Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, trending nga kagabi ang hashtag Happy Birthday David at David All Day dahil sa Twitter party ng David Troops. At grinit nga ni Miss Monique na ang happy birthday si David Licao kasama yan ni Chef Mike. At ito naman, Reverend Sam galing kay Jay Ortega, Happy 24th David Licao ko. At Instagram story ni Kaliwa Kanan, Happy birthday David Licao ko, sobrang throwback lang, Feb 15, 2020. Tapos FB post ni James Licao ko, Happy birthday Kuya David Licao ko, love you. Ayan nga, napaka-cute ni David at saka ni James. At mas cute pa sila dito, totoy na totoy pa si David at baby pa si James. At ito naman, David Licao ko and Marion James sa Tagaytay. At ito post ni Kenzie, Happy birthday. Ayan na nga, David Licao ko in Hong Kong. At ito naman post ni Tito Jack. Ayan, Happy birthday David Licao ko. Nakasama niya nga yung lola niya. At ito naman Instagram post ni Tita Eden. Your passion, drive, and heart inspire people around you. You give your all in everything that you do and truly shows. So proud of you and excited for everything ahead. Keep chasing your dreams and love you always. At in Instagram story nga ito ni David. At next naman ay post ni Sir Nathan, Happy birthday pre David Licao ko. Love you, enjoy your day. At next ay post ni Miss Isabel Bulatao sa kanyang Instagram story. Throwback 2018, Happy birthday David Licao ko. Sana naman ay magka-updated happy photo na tayo please. Hahaha. Enjoy your bouquet. At ito tweet ng Barda Elite Global, David birthday LED billboard inside Glorieta Activity Center is already on. It will be until 9 p.m. today. Ayan na nga. So sa Glorieta, David Licao ko. Parang bench ano lang, no? At TikTok post ni Luisa May, Happy birthday Ginoo. A daytime shot from Times Square, New York. David Licao ko, Barbie Fortesa, Eden Licao ko. Ayan na nga yung billboard ni David sa Times Square. Napaka-big type talaga ng Barda Elite. In fairness sa kanila. Ayun na nga, Happy birthday David Licao ko. At masyado na nga siyang mahaba guys, kaya pinutol ko na yung video. Grabe. At next naman ay tweet ni Miss Barbie Fortesa, Happy birthday Alexander David Licao ko. Sana palagi kang happy and healthy. Always proud of you. At may smiley. Tweet nga ni Jean Lisa Maharil, not deal with Barbie calling David Licao ko Alexander. So soft for this. Wow. Flips everything. Love you both. At tweet naman ni Orange, tawag ng may karapatan. Happy birthday Alexander. Uncle pala. David lang dapat ang tawag natin sa kanya. May nagpamay-ari na po ng Alexander na tawag. Doon po sa far away. At ito nga yung video greeting ni Barbie Fortesa last year. Let's watch this.
Happy birthday, David! This is Barbie. Sana ay ma-celebrate mo ng maayos ang special day mo with your family and loved ones. And good luck sa businesses mo. At galingan mo pa palagi. And ayun, I wish you all the best. And see you sa taping.
Ayun na nga, taping yata ng pulang araw yon. At next naman ay post ng Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Neckerchief on Smile Lock, Scott Vibes Max. Happy birthday sa pinakapoging Scout Ambassador David. You got the looks of a leading man and the heart of a scout. You inspire scouts to lead, serve, and still look good in a neckerchief. From your scouting family, Scout salute. Ayan na nga si David, napaka-cute. Ayun. At bakit kasi nag-i-smile siya? Di ba pwede namang di mag-i-smile doon? Ba't di kasi close up yung mukha niya, di ba? Sorry guys, pakialamero lang. Ba't nga pa nakikialam ako? Charet. At ito nga yung post ni David Licao ko sa kanyang Instagram, David Licao ko 25. Ayan na nga, pictures in Australia. Alam ko Melbourne siya eh. Kasama ni Jean. Ano nga, happy birthday. At yan, si Jean. Sila lang dalawa doon. At yan, more of David. At ang skyline ng Australia. Ay wow, may swimming pool. At yan si David. At ito, parang nag-jog yata siya doon. Kailan kaya sila mag-jogging ni Barbie? At comment ka ni Kaliwa Kanaan, 25, parang ikaw, Nico Alcalde. At nag-comment si Nico Alcalde, I'm 23. Si David naman nag-comment ng typo, actually 22. Adik. At sabi ni Nico, happy 35th. Nag-comment naman si James na asa pa sa 25. At nag-comment naman si Ilan ng hahaha 25, David Licauco dahil 27 lang ako. At trending nga ngayong 7:52 PM ang David All Day. At Instagram story ni Tito Jack, hope you are together. Happy Father's Day. Ito nga yung mga namayapang parents ni Tito Jack. At mukhang nasa restaurant dito sa Pilipinas si Tito Jack nag-celebrate ng Father's Day. Kasi alam ko galing sila sa Baguio eh. So I'm not sure kung sa Makati na to, guys. Help me out. Comment down below kung saan yan. At yun naman Instagram story ni Tito Tony at ni Barbie. Nag-celebrate sila ulit ng Father's Day. Kasi di ba nung 12 nag-celebrate na sila. Sabi ni Barbie, Happy Father's Day. Hotness for Tessa Antonio, my forever dessert buddy. At yun na nga guys, nag-jogging nga this morning si Miss Barbie Fortesa Makati. At nirepost niya nga sa kanyang Instagram story, the sweetest Barbie Fortesa. Ayan na nga, Sunday LSD. At yan na nga, kasama niya si Gerald Napoles. At to kasama niya si Kuya Kim Atienza. Instagram post ni Kuya Kim, Father's Day 12K with Maria Clara, Josh, and the Metcong Gang. At nag-reply si Barbie na, yun, salamat po, lakas nyo, grabe. So yun na, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa and Kuya Kim Atienza and Gerald Napoles. So kasi si Alden kasi puro bike na siya. So hindi niya siya kasama sa mga nila, jogging ngayon. At ang gusto ko dito ay yung background music, yung kanyang post ni Tito, ni Kuya Kim pala. Ayan nga, kailangan kita ni David Licauco. Grabe. Sana tinuloy-tuloy mo na Kuya Kim. Grinit mo na happy birthday si David. Para kumpleto, diba? Naku no. Akala ko pa naman susunod si Barbie sa Australia. Hindi pala. So yung parang to yung yung sa South Korea no Valentine's Day. Yung akala natin susunod si David pero hindi naman pala. At ito tweet ng Bardelite Global, P77 director, Direk Cabrido, and producer-writer Ancha Tienza attended the ToyCon 2025 that happened at SMX Convention Center earlier today.
The concept behind alternative narrative horror is that, kasi for example, for Filipinos and Hollywood horror, we usually watch na jump scare, supernatural based, diba? Unlike the alternative narrative horror is that more on experience, the trauma, and then emotional, and then epekto ng isang tao while you're watching a specific movie. And then how can you relate on that because ako to in a certain period of time. Yes, nangyari sa akin to. Yung nangyayari dito, kapag imagine mo, nakakatakot siya kasi pinagdaanan mo. Kumbaga, the first relatable film. This kind of horror is more on, kapag pinanood mo siya, is that you could relate. It's not because of that, nagulat ka, natakot ka dahil may multong lumabas or something. It's more on your experience. It's already on the screen and then you're seeing yourself on that particular character. When's the premiere?
It's showing on July 30. So sana po abangan ninyo. For those looking for a mind bender kind of a horror. So abangan niyo po sa July 30.
Ayun na nga, so tinanong yung premiere night, hindi pa sinabi.
The address of this luxurious penthouse unit kung saan papasok yung characters ng Barbie Fortesa and Yun Nicole. So yun yung magiging menu ng buong pelikula. That is called P77. Okay.
Ayun na nga guys, so suportahan po natin at sana panoorin po natin lahat ang P77 sa July 30 na. At post ng Kuya Korea sa Instagram, taste what's new at Kuya Korea. Visit now at SM Clark Pampanga, Araneta Cubao, and SM Manila. Let's watch this.
Wow, ang sarap. So good. This is the new sisig Kuya Korea. Nagtataka kayo kung bakit meron ng sisig si Kuya Korea. This is medyo Korean sisig kasi to. May gochujang and lubre rin yung Filipino taste and Korean taste all in it. Wow! Haluin natin. Try ko muna yung beef. It's so much better than the previous na bulgogi. Dahil mas special na siya. Ayan mo. Very authentic na. Yung japchae. Wow. So good. Sarap. So this is our own Racing Kings. So yummy. Wow, God. Kimchi. Sarap, boss.
In fairness, masarap nga ngayon guys sa Kuya Korea yung ganjang na in-order namin nung last, nagustuhan kahit ng family ko. At ito na nga ang Instagram story ni James Licao, kaya na nga si Hershey. Si Hershey nga ay naka-pink. So, trivia guys, alam nyo ba na babae si Hershey? Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman din. At ito nga post ng Bench Lifestyle Clothing, happy birthday to the effortlessly cool and charming David Licao ko. Here's to more wins, more growth, and more moments that make you smile. Drop your birthday greetings for David in the comments. Ay naku, napaka-cute ni David dito. Picture perfect siya talaga. At next ay post ng View Philippines, one day to go, Beauty Empire on View.
Hi guys! I am super excited for today's video. Pwede naman dalawa yung queens, diba? And true queens share their crowns, correct?
Ayun na nga, bukas na nga. At anong oras kaya lalabas yung episode guys, no? Write your comments down below. And another post by View Philippines, preview stills for episode 1. Isn't this exciting? Ayan na nga si Miss Barbie Fortesa, Miss Kylene Alcantara, at si Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Ay, ito gusto ko to. Sama tsaka si Barbie. Grabe. Ayan na nga. Si Aaron. And ito si Shai Fonasher yata. Ito si Barbie na namatay yung ate niya. Ito si Barbie tsaka yung ate. At tsaka yung si Barbie tsaka yung nanay niya. At ito si Polo Raurel at tsaka si Miss Divine Alcunia. And there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about the updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!